Are you ready to turn your videos into a source of income? In this video, we reveal an incredible free app that allows you to post videos and earn money for every view you receive. Discover how easy it is to share your creativity with the world while making money at the same time. Don't miss out on this opportunity to monetize your content effortlessly. Watch now and start earning today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. We are always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. It would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video so we can create specific videos for your region. Now let's get started. Turn your knowledge into cash. With Fibler, you can monetize your skills effortlessly. Share your expertise through engaging videos, offer personalized audio calls, conduct video consultations, or connect via chat messages, all from the palm of your hand. It's never been easier to earn money while doing what you love. Fibler is a cool app that lets you make some cash by using what you know and can do. You can share your expertise by posting videos or connecting with others through audio calls, video chats, or messages. Fibler's got some cool ways to help you make money. You can cash out whenever you want since there's no withdrawal limit, and they offer easy payment options like PayPal or bank transfer. It's a super flexible platform for anyone wanting to share their skills and earn on their own terms. Here's how it works. First, sign up and fill out your profile. Then, decide on your fees, options, and when you're available. Share videos and spread your Fibler link across your social media. Cool app features: get paid per view, upload videos and earn money every time someone watches. Offer paid voice calls, video chats, and text messages. Host group video sessions to make money during live streams and from future views. Customize your fees, options, and schedule to fit you. Keep the cash coming with perpetual income from published video content. Imagine transforming your passions into profit, all while connecting with others who appreciate what you have to offer. Join a thriving community of experts who are already earning money and making a difference in people's lives. Your unique skills could be just what someone needs. Download Fibler today and start earning. Don't miss out. Sign up now to unlock exclusive features and boost your income effortlessly. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate your support. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others who may find it helpful too. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos like this one.